At stage 1 of the DealShaker development, as a user, you will only be able to register your merchant profiles and submit your deal applications for approval from our Merchant Administration department. First, let's go briefly over your merchant office. This is your merchant office. It consists of 6 major sections. A dashboard, where you can see your OneCoin and cash account balances, which are identical to the ones in your OneLife back office. Get a summary of your merchant activity. Track how many members of the OneLife network are there in your area that will see your deals. Active Deals section, which tracks all your active deals published on the website. You will be able to see a list with your used or redeemed deal coupons from here and track how long your deal will remain active. Drafted Deals section, which automatically saves all the drafts of deals which you have started creating but haven't finished or submitted for approval. Pending Deals section, which shows all your deals pending approval for publishing. Merchant account, from where you will be able to register your merchant profiles. We will go through the merchant profile registration in more detail in the next tutorial, but just remember that this will be your first step to register as a merchant. Address book is another section of your merchant office to which we will dedicate a whole other tutorial. In short overview, this is the section of your merchant office which allows you to register the places where your deal coupons can be used.